Hey campers, in today's 2-Minute Travel Trailer Tuesday, I want to go over the brand new 2026 Sunray 109 by Sunset Park RV. This is the 2026 Sunray 109 Sport, weighing 1,475 pounds, coming with that batwing awning that covers 270 degrees. This has a 190 watt solar panel up top, roof rack that holds up to 500 pounds. These are built by the Amish. They have a manual tongue jack, 2-inch coupler, battery disconnect switch, propane heater, outside storage, and more. The outside storage has a nice little light on it. 30 amp power cord plug, outside shower with hot and cold water, and this camper even has the off-road tire package with a 235/75 R15-inch tire. We have a full rear galley on here with a 3-way fridge, microwave, 2-burner stove, sink and sink cover with overhead storage. We have hot water with a 6-gallon water heater, all LED lighting all the way around. This camper comes in at 12 feet long, 8.5 feet wide, and 7.5 feet high. Has a 16-gallon fresh water tank in there. Over on the side, we can see our 5,000 BTU AC. We have a nice little step on the side, 30 amp or 110 volt power. Screen door, step to get in. On the inside, we have 2 windows that open and function, 12 volt fan up top, full-size bed that pushes into a sofa or folds out into a bigger bed. Over here we have our solar controller, USB plugs, and more. This is the 109 Sport by Sunset Park. Thanks for sticking around and watching the video. If you like these kind of videos, do me a huge favor, hit that subscribe button, keep on coming back for more. If you want a nice thorough walkthrough video, check out the Extreme Lifestyles channel, which I'll share at the end. Thanks for watching, everybody.